and welcome to this channel. What I want to tell you today is how to use some free VPS servers, build blogs, forums, etc. For us, there is a very famous VPS, is now SEESERV00.com this website. So what corresponds to it? This is the website of quotas.pl. The images of these two websites are very similar. THISSERV00.com, 2 free registration places were provided. At present, it has been registered for more than 60,000. If you want to register, you must hurry up. What about CT.pl? At present, there are only 5,000 places. At present, more than 4,000 places have been used. The site is currently only available for registration by Polish users. So what? What if your IP address is not Poland? Try not to register on this website. Please select THESERV00.com website to register. What about here? It describes some rights of free users. The capacity it provides is about 10 GB. What about memory? It's 512 MB. Try to operate according to the original English interface, because the translation interface is used for operation. Some functions may be unresponsive or have errors. Here, click Create Account. Here is your name. Here is your name, surname. Here is your login name. The login name can be customized. But be careful. This name will be your default domain name. For example, like this. Fill in your email here. What about this place? You need to enter the verification code. For example, like this. Here's a question. What is the fee for hosting INSERV00.com? That's free at present. You can fill in a link. Then click Accept Terms. Click the Create Account button. Okay, what about this time? He said it had been created successfully. There is an email. Send it to your email. You should see an email like this. This is your login name for logging into the server. This is its automatically generated login password. This is the server you can use. There is a very important thing to tell you next. If you use a real IP address, the next operation, it may be easier to pass the verification. If you are using a VPN, you will have to look up your own IP. If you're not sure if your IP is clean, you'll have to check your own IP. You can search this site for your IP address. Then you can see here. If it's green, it's clean. What if it's yellow? It's more dangerous. If you see a red color, indicates high risk. This may affect your next registration. What's next? You can type in this URL. Then you can translate it. It says please use the following button. Unlock your IP address from our firewall. Because he's more stringent at the moment. What if your IP address is not clean? He may not be able to register. Choose a server for this place. So what about everyone? May I have a look at your mailbox? I am here INS6.SERV00.com. So I also want to CHOOSES6.SERV00.com here. Then change the interface back to English. Then click this to unlock it. Done. This place shows that the IP has been unlocked. So what's next? To connect to this SSH server. Then you can enter this URL in the browser. To download the software, everybody pull the page to the bottom position. Choose according to your own operating system. Then my operating system is Windows CE. I'll just click this to download it. What about after downloading? You can decompress it. Open it. There is a program like this in it. You click to open it. Then what? Choose OK here. What about this time? You can click here. Create a new session. Then, put your SSH server name here. Paste it here. And then what's the connection? Then enter your login name. Click the Continue button. Then enter your password. Then pay attention when entering the password. No spaces before or after. Click the Continue button. If this prompt appears, it means that you cannot link. At this time, you can close the interface and restart it. Re-enter login name. Re-enter password. When this interface is displayed, it means that the link is successful. He'll probably connect many times before he succeeds. Note the problems with the password's letter case, half-width and full-width characters. It's going to work once in a while. What about this time? You can log into the main interface ofs6.sdrv00.com. Go back to your mailbox. Click on this URL. You will see a screen like this. Here you need to enter your login and password. Remember to leave no spaces before or after the password. This will take you to his backend screen. You can translate the interface with your browser. Here is a free domain name. The name of this domain is your customized login name. For those who want to bind a domain name, you can click here. Click here again. Take a look here. Translate this. It is shown here. The total capacity available to you is 10 GB. The memory is 1 RM. This should be the amount of memory used. What if I want to create a new website or blog now? Then you can click here. Open the domains folder. Underneath it is your default domains folder. Click again to open public HTML. It has a default index HTML file. Then if you don't need that, you can delete it. Or what about edit it? What about this time? You can upload your own files. You can upload from your local computer. You can choose to upload a single file. But if you are uploading multiple files to a blog or forum, you can choose to upload a single file. I'll try to package it into a RAR file and upload it. I found that it doesn't seem to support RAR unlocking. We can then try to package the file into a zip file and upload it. Try to select one or more files to be uploaded. Right-click and open it with RAR. Select zip to compress into a zip file. Then upload it again. The upload is complete. Now right-click and select the Explore button to decompress it. I see these two files. Let's pick them all. Right mouse button. Select Extract button. Select Domains. Find your own domain. Open the public HTML folder. Then unzip the folder. Okay, take a look. Click on the public HTML node. You will see all the extracted files. What about this time? You can go back to the main screen of the backend. At this time you can click on this place. See if this domain can be accessed. Enter your own URL and you'll see all the files. Okay, successfully accessed the page. There's one thing to keep in mind. It is said that this server of his, you have to log into the backend once every 3 months. If you don't log in after this period of time, he may delete your account. So pay more attention. So today, about using free VPS servers, the process of building your own blog. That's all for now. If you like my explanation, remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all.